Welcome to your CCPS Science Review Lab. Let's take a look at our startup for today. If you look at the picture below, you'll notice we have an image of Earth, and then we've also got these cool satellites that are orbiting around Earth. My question for you is, how does gravity impact the orbit of these satellites? Let's think on that for a moment. Well, we know that these satellites were sent up into space, correct? But they didn't just keep going and going and going forever. Earth's gravity trapped them and kept them orbiting around Earth. Let's look at the factors that impact how these satellites move. Well, we said that we send these satellites up into space, right? And then they get pulled into this orbit or to be able to circle around Earth. There are two factors that impact the gravity holding those satellites in space, in our orbit. We know the first factor is mass. Both the Earth and the satellite have mass. So if something has mass, that means it also has gravity or gravitational pull. So we know the Earth is pulling on the satellite, and the satellite is pulling on Earth. Earth has the greater mass. Therefore, it is pulling with more force than the satellite is. The other factor that will impact the amount of gravity is the distance between these two objects. So the further away that satellite is from Earth's surface, the less it will be impacted by Earth's gravity, or the less gravitational pull that will be pulling down on it. So two factors that impact gravity are mass of the objects involved and the distance between the two objects. Greater the mass, the more gravitational pull. The closer the objects, the more gravitational pull. So, with that in mind, now's a chance for you to show what you know. Here we have an image of the sun, the Earth, and the moon. Looking at those and looking at their relative masses as displayed in the picture, explain to me why, even though the sun is so much more massive than Earth, the moon orbits Earth and not the sun. Go ahead and write that in your notebook. Good luck.